A single bite, a tiny scratch, the wound heals outside and you think you're okay, but inside, the countdown has already started. Look at this. It is shaped like a bullet and it behaves like one. When an infected dog bites you, its saliva is packed with thousands of these bullet-shaped invaders. They do not enter your bloodstream, and if they did, your immune system would smash and crush them. Nah, rabies is much smarter. Rabies is more sinister than you think. After being bitten, the virus hitches a ride into your muscle tissue, and then it works. This is what we call the incubation period. It can last weeks, months, and sometimes even a year. You feel completely normal. The bite marks even fades away. You even forget it even happened. But while you're living your life, the virus is looking for a door, specifically the neuromuscular junction, the literal bridge to your muscles. Once it finds that bridge, it breaks in. It hijacks your peripheral nervous system, and now the horror movie officially begins. Once inside your nerves, the virus turns into a hitchhiker on a one-way highway. It moves by retrograde exoplasmic transport, which is just a fancy way of saying it crawls backwards up until it finds your nerve fibers, until it finds the spine. It travels slowly, roughly about 8 to 20 millimeters a day. It is creeping closer and closer to your central command. Your immune system is completely blind to it because the virus is hidden inside. It travels slowly, roughly about 8 to 20 millimeters. It is creeping closer and closer to the central. The immune system is completely blind to it because it is hidden inside your nerve casing. It is the ultimate Trojan horse. The moment it hits the spinal cord, it hits the axon. The second it hits the spinal cord, it hits the axon. It rushes straight into your brain, causing encephalitis, extreme catastrophic brain. Now the virus takes the steering wheel. It rewires your behavior. It attacks your limbic system, causing excessive aggression and hydrophobia, which is the excessive fear of water, and where your throat extremely spasms when you try. A terrifying fear of water where your throat violently spasms if you try to. At this point, the virus has also multiplied into your salivary glands. So it is making you drool so that it can come out and go to the next victim. It is trying to multiply into other. Once it reaches the brain and the symptoms show, it is 99.9% very fatal, and it is game over for you.